Hello everyone, welcome to Sibo's Kitchen. So today I'm going to make some gluten-free waffles. So I've got everything ready with me. I've got some gluten-free baking flour, tapioca flour, brown rice flour, and I also have the baking powder that is also gluten-free, pink salt with me, organic vanilla extract, and then I have the raw honey mixed with turmeric, the organic maple syrup, organic eggs, almond milk. I also have the plant-based butter, which is also gluten-free. I then put half cup of gluten-free flour, half cup of tapioca flour, half cup of brown rice flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Then I mix my wet ingredients in a blender. I have 2 organic eggs, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, half tablespoon of vanilla extract, quarter cup of maple syrup, 3/4 cup of gluten-free butter, 3/4 cup of almond milk, and then I'm mixing the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients and blend them all together. And now I grease up my waffles pan using the olive oil, and then I put all my mixture and cover it. Here you go, look at this, so nice and yummy. I then top up with grapes, strawberries, blackberries, and some blueberries, and then I use this watermelon syrup. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe as well. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to press the notification bell for any other new recipes. Thank you. Bye.